छ बोइज पेट्रोलको महिला पेट्रोलले आफ्नो प्रस्तुति प्रस्तुत गर्नेछ।
We all are gathered here for this. It's truly a joy to see so many enthusiastic faces, scouts, leaders, parents, teachers, and guests, all united by a shared spirit of adventure, learning, and service. Scout is not just an activity; it is a way of life that teaches us responsibility, teamwork, leadership, and respect for our nature and each other. We are here today to celebrate those values and the incredible growth of each scout who has chosen the life of Scout Promise and Law. We have an exciting program ahead full of fun, challenges, and opportunity to recognize our achievements of Scouts. Whether you're here for the first time or have been part of the Scouting for years, your presence adds an spirit and strength to our community. Thank you for joining us, and let's make this a memorable and inspiring event for all. Thank you.